A mesh can carry as many lattices as you want. Here's how to stay in control. The Object Mode panel lists every cage with its own strength slider. Apply bakes 1 lattice. Apply all bakes everything at once. Remove drops them without changes. The All Lattices toggle previews your mesh with and without deformations, completely non-destructive. Press U in Weight Paint to refit the cage after repainting. And Clean Orphan Weights keeps your vertex groups tidy.